Mic check, mic check. Are we live? Are we live?
Yep.
All right, come on.
Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. This week we're doing something a little bit different. I turned over the camera duties to Matt. He's gonna follow Jessie around and do some recording with him. Jessie is a totally different person talking to somebody else holding the camera than me.
I can't make the good jokes with Stacy's around. I don't know, there's just something about me that can't make dick jokes to my wife.
We're gonna give this a try and here we go.
Are we live? We're live now, buddy.
My name is Jason Marasio. This is my 2005 Chevy Silverado. It has an LS 376 525 horse GM Performance crate motor. It has a Tremec TR 6060 373 posi rear end. It's got 315s on all four corners. It has the HG Pro off-road wheels. It's 4-link coilovers on all four corners.
What do you do with the truck?
It's really our promotional vehicle for Texas show promoters, and then I really enjoy autocrossing with it. It is a crew cab, so it's not something you normally see, but it is fun. It is fun. I enjoy giving people rides in it and taking them around the tracks. So it's entertaining. Lots of laughs.
In true automotive fashion, we put this TSP truck on the dyno and figured out it had fuel issues, whether it be fuel flow or whatever it is. I got the VE table maxed out. I got the, I'm commanding way more fuel than it needs, and we're just not getting where we need to be. So he elected to leave it with us. We're gonna tear into it and see what the problem is. My thought is probably something simple like a fuel filter or a fuel pump issue or something dumb, but we got to fix it because we don't want this thing leaning out when he's autocrossing. All right, so here we got this Fox body Mustang. It's a kind of a grudge racer car, so we won't show you any of the engine stuff. It's in there, you just can't see it. We're that good at photoshopping. But it came in with a wacky bent up tube front, and so we cut all that off and we built this whole new tube front at a chrome inch and 5/8 083 wall chrome Holley. I've been showing JJ, one of our newer fabricators, how to do the chrome Holley and the tube bending and stuff, and he's been doing really good with it. So I'm super happy with how this is going. Obviously you can see that the car has been wrecked and cut up and tore up, and I guess it used to be a really fast car at one time, but with an LS in it, and now he's got this awesome engine. Should haul ass, is what I'm told. Come on, keep up with me, poor guy. All right, we've been doing a ton of work on Stacy's car. Me and my brother Kyle, we've been putting in a lot of late hours. We haven't been working on it through the day. We've just been staying late at night to work on it. We're doing like a 25.1X tube chassis setup on it. We got the front frame mills done last night. The motor's kind of in there temporary. Just getting everything, measurements stuff figured out, but oh, I can't even open this. I can't even open this goddamn door. What are we doing over here? Let's go on the other side. Come on, so we can open the door. All right, so here we are. We got the motor kind of set in there. We got the firewall all cut out. I got the 20 car cage like kind of laid out. I'll add all the extra tube and bracing and stuff when we take the body back off. So in a perfect world, I'll have Stacey insert a picture here of a car without a body on it, a rolling chassis. But that's what we're aiming for, is basically a running driving car with no body on it. Then we just put a body on it like a model car when you're all done. Watch your step, don't step on that hose. Watch out for them hose. Matt, we know they get you every time. Guess what, everybody? The Trans Am is coming apart again. Through my research and development, I think that I've came to where I'm happy with these heads, so they gotta go. The intake's gotta go. We're gonna go back to, we're actually gonna do a LS7 versus Cathedral Port. We're gonna do, and see what we end up with power and boost and drivability and that kind of stuff, fuel consumption. We're just gonna do some testing there. So at least that's what I told my wife, just so I can buy some cool new parts. But yeah, I think she heard us. Yeah, I think we should do a 55 update. We haven't done 55. Hasn't been on the ground, I don't think, in a video yet. All stance up.
Got a nice brake to it.
Yeah, so not really my style. It's a really traditional look. Like if you step back and look at this car, you're not gonna think, you know, pro-charged LS T56, right? You're gonna think of like 383 stroker and a Muncie 4-speed and a, you know, 410 gear and probably, you know, some other weird shit. But we actually, my friend lssimple.net hooked us up with this distributor coil pack thing to make it look like it's got a distributor. We just wanted to keep with kind of the retro theme of this thing. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. And it's got a T56 and a built 12 bolt, and we got 410 gears, and we're waiting on axles right now. And then once the axles are in, we're gonna get it fired up and build pipes and do the dyno thing and send it home to Colorado. Oh, and I don't know, I think it's kind of gonna be a little joke here, but Rick has been asking me about updates on his Camaro, and I'm not gonna put any updates on his Camaro until it's done, just because he's constantly giving me shit about updates on his Camaro. Guess what, Rick? No updates on your Camaro until it's done.
All right, y'all. You may have seen throughout the video that we've all been wearing these really cool new Jesse's Performance shirts. Heirloom Customs made the design for us with the Texas license plate and the Jesse's Performance logo. Has a little Texas built thing on the sleeve. These shirts are only $20, that includes tax. You can shop these shirts and our other merchandise on our store. There's a link here. It's jessiestore.com. We've got hats, t-shirts, I've got some closeout designs from old shirts, we've got hoodies, we've got tons of different decals. We also can print custom color decals. So if you would like a Jesse's Performance logo that would match your car or your color scheme that you have on your car, just let me know. I can order any color of vinyl and cut any color sticker. All Memorial Weekend, we are doing a 15% off discount on your total purchase. At checkout, you would enter the code MEMORIAL to get the 15% off. All right, y'all, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we are headed to XRP with the Blazer and the IROC to do some track testing. So make sure you tune in next week for a track video. That'll be a super exciting one to see. And make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share our videos. Our channel is getting bigger. We really appreciate everybody's support. But that's it for now, and thanks for
Look, it's Matt, the camera guy. He's way down there. Look how far down there he is.